Hello guys, welcome back to iMobie channel. Is your iPhone keeps turning on and off recently? That is not a scary thing. Basically it has something to do with the iPhone system. So in this video, we will show you why it happens and how it is solved. So, let's get started. Here are some reasons for this iPhone turning on and off problem. Reason 1, update failed. It happens when you update your iPhone to the new iOS but fails. Reason 2, battery health problem. It happens if your iPhone battery has been damaged. But since your iPhone has already been in problem, you can hardly check that. Reason 3, hardware problem. The other most common cause of the shutting off and back on repeatedly is the hardware issues. Here in the first method for iPhone 8 and later, press the volume up button, and then press the volume down button and hold down the side button until the phone restarts. When the Apple logo appears, let go of the button. And for iPhone 7, please hold the volume down and sleep-wake buttons simultaneously and keep holding them until the screen flashes and the Apple logo appears. And for the iPhone 6 and earlier models, push down both the home button and the sleep-wake button at the same time. Keep holding them until the screen flashes and the Apple logo appears. Release the buttons and the iPhone will start up like normal. If method 1 doesn't work by restarting your iPhone, then it may have something to do with the system. You can consider resetting your iPhone. Here firstly open Settings, then open General option. Then scroll down and tap on Reset option. Here choose the option to reset all settings. Then tap to confirm that you want to reset all settings on your iPhone. After the process has been done, your iPhone may return to normal. Attention! Resetting your phone means clearing up all your data, so be cautious with it. Here in the third method, just download AnyFix from description, connect your iPhone via USB and then hit the System Repair option. Now select Screen Stuck and hit Start Now option. After that hit the Advanced Repair option. And here follow the given steps. And after that hit the Download Now option to download the firmware for your device, and it will take some time to download the firmware. After that hit Start System Repair option. And it will take some time to complete the repair process. Then, you will see the Hello screen on your iPhone. Set up the iPhone. So thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have any query.